How to generate AI images from text prompt in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the Canva AI in order to generate images from your text prompt. So let me guide you through the step-by-step process. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any Canva design, and currently you can see that this is a Canva video, and for example I want any image for my video, or it could also be a presentation or some other things or design as well. So in that case, if you want to add a generative image or an AI generated image, then you can use the Canva AI in order to do this. So let me show you how you can do. So once you are inside your Canva design, you can navigate through these tabs towards the left hand side, and you need to scroll down until you can see this option of Magic Media. So here is this Magic Media. You can click onto this, and from here you can generate images, graphics and video. So since currently we are generating images, you can describe what you would like to create in 5 or more words. Or if you just want to test it out, then you can click onto this Inspire Me button as well, which will give it a random prompt and then you can generate that. So if you don't like the prompt, you can click onto this Inspire Again button and it will generate a new random. So let's start with this random prompt only, which says magical garden with bees and flowers and pastel. So let's try to generate this particular image. So what you can do after you are done typing in your prompt is that you can click onto this generate image button. And once you will do this, you can see that the magic media is generating your image, which is represented by this bar right here at the bottom. So when this blue bar reaches towards the right, you can see that it has generated 4 of these images. So you can use any image that you want. So for example, let's say this image. We also have this image as well. Apart from that, we have 2 more images, which is this one, and finally we also have this image as well. So here are 4 of the images as generated by the Canva AI. So this is how you can add generative images or AI images into your Canva design using the Canva AI or the Magic Media. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.